What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Agig. This is the Blackshot 2 Joy-Con. The right side, here the left side, and this is the right side. Let me just open it. Okay, here we go. Okay, here's the Joy-Con. Now I put the box inside. I really like the green presentation. Here, let me show you the manual. Slide. How to connect, okay? Glide and using the gamepad, okay? Is there any connection how we can connect? Okay, maybe here. Can you see or not? On or off? Okay, is my Redmi Note 10. Okay, and then now let me connect the left side. Okay, and turn it on. Okay, and then press and hold the power button on the gamepad. Okay, Bluetooth. Okay, pair a new device. So yeah, it's connected. It was me Jimmy. Subscribe.